Thinking about investing in a senior living apartment complex? We are GrowthSense.com, your go-to website directory for off-market real estate buying and selling, and here are what you should know before buying a senior living apartment complex. Number 1. Understand the local market and demographics. You want to find places where the senior population is growing because demand for this kind of housing follows those trends. Also, check out how many similar places are already there. Too many means tough competition and harder to raise rents. Number 2, get a team that knows both real estate and healthcare. Senior living isn't just about apartments, it's about managing healthcare rules, staffing, and resident care standards. Having a broker familiar with senior housing and a healthcare consultant helps you avoid costly surprises later. Number 3, look beyond just the building's walls. Check if the facility has up-to-date emergency systems, telehealth tech, and smart features that make life easier for residents. These things lower costs and keep occupancy rates steady because happy residents stay longer. Number 4, explore financing options that fit senior housing's unique challenges. Traditional loans might not work so well here, so consider specialized loan programs or partnerships with healthcare operators who bring stable cash flow and experience. Number 5, crunch your numbers with all operational costs in mind. Staffing, food, maintenance, insurance, and compliance costs can eat into profits more than you expect. Running detailed financial projections helps you see the real cash flow picture. Number 6, weigh risks carefully. Senior living markets can shift with health trends or new regulations, but the aging population means steady long-term demand. Make sure you're ready for the hands-on management this business needs so you don't get caught off guard. Number 7, inspect everything from safety systems to resident unit setups. Confirm the building meets disability laws and fire codes, check HVAC for air quality, and test emergency call systems. Also look at outdoor spaces and maintenance history to avoid hidden problems. If you want to find senior living apartment complexes that might need some work or present good value, check out GrowthSense.com. We list properties with after repair values, listing prices, photos, videos, and reviews so you can connect directly with sellers and make your own deals.